Greetings everybody, my name's Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Amanya gange yenze Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. And I'm back with our Luganda lessons. I was told that my PowerPoint lessons were a bit difficult to understand, so I was advised to use a board to teach Luganda. And as I said before, I'm not a professional Luganda teacher. I'm not. I'm just doing this to teach my own children and our diaspora children to learn some Luganda. That's why I'm doing this. So I'm not a professional, but I'm just a mother trying to teach the children a little bit of Luganda. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. So our first lesson today, we are going to learn our Luganda alphabet. Luganda alphabet. I believe we all know the English alphabet. So today I'm teaching you the Luganda alphabet. The Luganda alphabet is not different from the English alphabet, but there are two letters which we don't have, and they're in the English alphabet. And there are two letters which we have, and they are not in the English alphabet. So let's begin. Hopefully you can see. In English, this is A. A. In Luganda we say A. Ba. Ba. Cha. Cha. Da. Da. A. A. We call this in Luganda A. Fa. Fa. G in English, G in Luganda, Ga. Ga. H in English, H in English, Ha. Ha in Luganda. I is Yi. Yi. J is Ja. Ja. Ka. Ka. L is La. La. M is Ma. Ma. N is Na. Na. O is still O. Even in Luganda we say O. P. Pa. Pa. R is Ra. Ra. L is La. R is Ra. Ra. S is Sa. Sa. T is Ta. Ta. V is Va. Va. Oh, I missed U. U. U is Wu. Wu. Wu in Luganda is Wu. W is Wa. Wa. Y is ya. Ya. Z or Z is za. Is za. So as you can see, we jumped X and Chu, because in Luganda we don't have X, we have Chu. Instead we have N and G. N and G, that's one letter, nga. Nga. And we have N and Y. N and Y, that's one letter, nya. Nya. N and G, in Luganda we have a letter called nga. Nga. That's how it looks like, nga. Unfortunately, we can't find this letter on the keyboard. So instead of using nga, we use this ng, nga. Nga, one word, nga. Ny, nya. Nya is also one word. So this is the Luganda alphabet. Thank you so much for listening. The next lesson will be about also alphabet, but we'll differentiate it between the consonants and the vowels. That will be our next lesson. Thank you so much for listening, for following our first Luganda lesson. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Judy's Basket Echimpo. I appreciate that. Thank you. I'm still Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Bye.